Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make my most favorite Indian dish in the world, chicken tikka masala. I'm going to make it in the slow cooker, and what you will need is it's a several step process. The first process, we're going to make the marinade, so I'm going to show you what you're going to need for that. About 2 to 3 pounds of cut up boneless skinless chicken, 3/4 cup of Greek yogurt, or you can use sour cream. I'm using sour cream. And some spices. The spices that we're going to need are 2 teaspoons of cumin, 1 teaspoon of cayenne, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt. And I have a tablespoon of lemon juice already in the bottom of this bowl. So what you're going to do is you are going to make the marinade by adding in your spices. Then you want to add in your yogurt and mix everything really good so it gets blended. Okay, next I'm going to add the chicken pieces. And what you're going to do is you want to coat these so that they're covered in the marinade. After all of your chicken is coated with the marinade, you're going to want to cover it with plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator. You can let it sit in the marinade all night long, or you can let it sit in it for an hour. The longer, the better in my opinion, but an hour should be fine. Okay, so the chicken is finished marinating and it's time to make the sauce. So what you're going to need for the sauce is 2 28-ounce cans of crushed tomatoes, a large onion chopped up, 3 tablespoons of garlic, 2 inches of grated ginger. Now, the ginger, it always goes bad on me, so I just use this paste that you can get at the grocery store. But you don't have to use the paste. You can actually use grated ginger. And then we're going to need more spices. I have 1 tablespoon of garam masala, a teaspoon of cayenne, a teaspoon of cumin, and a teaspoon of ground coriander, and a teaspoon of salt. First, what we're going to do is add some olive oil into a pot. Okay, I put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pot and it's heating up. Now I'm going to transfer my chicken and I want to brown it. Okay, you're not trying to cook your chicken all the way through, you just want to brown it. Okay, once the chicken is not raw anymore and it's cooked on the outside, we're going to transfer it to the crock pot. Okay, in the same pot that you just browned your chicken, add another teaspoon of oil, and you want to add in your onion and your garlic. Okay, I added 3 big tablespoons of garlic, and you're just going to let all of this cook until it softens a little, so the onion softens a little. Okay, once the onion has softened a little, you want to add your grated ginger. If you're going to use ginger, the fresh ginger, you want to use about a teaspoon. If you're using the paste, I usually use about a 2-inch ribbon. And you want to mix that together. Okay, once you've added in your ginger and you've mixed it all up and it starts to smell fragrant, you're going to add in your spices. Now you just want to mix this in. Okay, once you've mixed all that up, it should really be smelling good now. And really fragrant smelling. Next, you're going to add your tomatoes. Okay, you want to mix this very good. Okay, now if you want to, you can I just like to sprinkle a little bit of sugar in there just to cut down on the acidity. Okay, now our sauce is ready. We are going to pour this in the crock pot over the chicken. Okay, now you just want to mix this up with the chicken. Mix your chicken in real good. Okay. And then you want to cover it and cook on low for 6 to 8 hours or on high from 4 to 6. Okay, so now we are going to finish everything up. It's been cooking on low for 8 hours actually. So to finish everything up, we are going to need 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of Tikka Masala, and 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 3/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, and 3/4 cup of chopped cilantro. So what you're going to do is add in your spices and mix. Then we're going to add in the heavy whipping cream. And mix. And then last, we're going to put in the cilantro and mix it. Now you're going to want to serve this over rice. You don't have to. I mean, you could eat it plain. It's that good. But I have made some jasmine rice and we're going to eat it over jasmine rice. So I'll show you the completed dish when I'm finished plating it. And there it is. Crockpot chicken tikka masala. It's delicious. Let me know how you like it. Thanks for watching.